I am from a small town in South Louisiana, like just when you think you can't go further south, you can. And I was teaching high school before, and I decided, never mind, and went back to hygiene school.
I was a junior in dental school. She was just coming into school. We met, hit it off right away, and just kind of were inseparable after that. She comes from a great family from South Louisiana. I'm from North Louisiana. Different ends of the state, probably different cultures, but both have their charm. We got engaged our senior year, got married, moved to Shreveport, where we practiced for the first 12 years of my career. She's always been the ultimate cheerleader for her family, especially me and the kids.
He sees the positive in everything. You know, there's a glass half full, glass half empty. His is always overflowing. Always. Always.
If Haley comes home and had a bad day, say somebody cut her off on the road, I'm going to approach it from like, that person could have been going through something. You're okay. You're home. Let's go out to dinner. Flip the script.
Oh my gosh.
If I come home and I say, this person cut me off on the road, she's going to say, what was her license plate number? She protects her family at all costs.
Christian, my oldest one, he's a worker. Since he was about 10, he's been upset with us because we won't let him get a job. And I'm like, there are child labor laws, like it's illegal. He gets his gift money, like his birthday or his Christmas, and he's like, Dad, help me invest it. My other son, he wants to be a dentist. He saves. He has so much saved, but he listens a lot. He might not say as much, but he listens.
One day, Christian kind of pops up and he went to Haley and he said, I'm going to set up a lemonade stand. Hayden's going to go outside and he's going to work the stand and we'll split it 50-50. He's already trying to come up with a business plan where he sets it up.
He had an associate for his lemonade stand.
Own passive income at the age of 10 at the time. We're a family of experiences, I would say. We travel a lot. There's almost no activity we won't try at least once. And Haley's always been supportive of everything that we've done.
We love adventures, I would say. Fishing, hunting, skiing, you name it, we'll try it. I can never be afraid of anything because those jokers will make me try everything. No one ever just wants to be still and sit.
And there's no vetoing. If it's on the table, the family's doing it.
You gotta try it. I'm excited as a mom because I think if I would have had access or known this at their age, how they can grow and do it as a family, that's where Freedom Founders is such a good thing.
We were at a conference in Las Vegas that was just an all-around practice management conference with lots of big-name speakers. I had never heard of David Phelps at this point.
So he's at this conference. When he came out, he's like a kid in a candy store, right?
I'm retired.
Like Christmas morning, he's like coming out, he's like, that's it, I got our game plan. I'm thinking, oh man, here we go. And he's like, Freedom Founders, babe, Freedom Founders, we're doing it. And I'm thinking to myself, what is going on? And then he's like, just come to Blue Friend Day. After Blue Friend Day, I was the kid in the candy store.
I knew that there was this position in healthcare that would allow me to build my own business, hire the people that I wanted to hire to work with, develop the culture that I wanted in my own practice, work my own hours.
With Freedom Founders, he doesn't have to leave if he doesn't want to. He can still practice if he wants to practice. He can work with the staff. He can work with his associates and still enjoy all of it.
Me not having to produce and being the one in the chair from 7 in the morning till 5 in the afternoon has allowed me to do things with my practice that I couldn't do if it was just me doing the work. Your practice becomes more productive, you grow, you're more profitable, you're less stressful, everybody's happy, your wife's happy at home, your kids are happy because you can pick them up from school, everything gets better.
It allows him to enjoy practicing still. Because, you know, when you're doing something because you have to, because it solely relies on you, then it just kind of, it's that stress and that burden. Because there's nothing worse when you're waking up and you're like, oh man, you know, I have to go in.
The relationships that were built while you were in Freedom Founders, not just with the TAs and with David and Alex and all the people that make it happen, but with the people that are in the trenches with you, all trying to achieve the same goal. For me, Free for Life means freedom on a work day where you are going to your practice, freedom with your family, freedom financially. Free for Life is not the end. If anything, I think that's an inflection point to go even further.